This is fabulous. Wow, loving the energy. Well, we do have some of the biggest names of Indian cinema, ladies and gentlemen, here with us, and we are here for something exceptional. So just settle down. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here, members of the media and esteemed guests. My name is Nitin Kakkar, and it's an absolute pleasure to welcome all of you here today as we're about to witness something exceptional. Today isn't just about an announcement. It is about a moment where two worlds come together, where experience meets fresh energy, where legacy shakes hands with a bold new vision. On one hand, we have a name that resonates across generations, a true OG, a true icon of Indian cinema, Mr. Sanjay Dutt, ladies and gentlemen. With an illustrious career and an enduring screen presence, he also continues to shape the industry through his production house, that is Three Dimension Motion Pictures. Baba ke liye ek baar zordar taaliyan ho jaye. And on the other, a dynamic force with a clear creative instinct, Mrs. Aksha Kamboj, ladies and gentlemen, who now steps into an exciting new chapter, making a foray into the world of film production with a lot of passion, purpose, and a fresh creative outlook with Aspect Entertainment. Ek baar zordar taaliyan. Together, this collaboration promises more than just entertainment. It promises scale, emotion, and moments that will stay with us long after the credits roll. To begin with, I have something really special that will be played on that big screen for all you lovely people. So, inhi smiles ke saath, all eyes towards the big screen. It is the grit of a crime thriller, the emotional weight of a drama, or the pulse of a real-life event. Aspect's identity is rooted in the new age narrative. The hunt for stories is on in literature, on the theatre stage, and in the raw reality of true events. Stories that are unapologetically Indian, yet universal in their soul. Just like Aspect, purely Indian at heart, but the ambition is undeniably global. By forging alliances with world-class international partners, Aspect aspires to take Indian stories beyond our borders, to every screen in every corner of the world. And they are achieving this by being a tech-first studio. At Aspect, technology isn't going to be a gimmick or just a flashy add-on. It will be a genuine creative edge to sharpen the craft of filmmaking and elevate the audience's experience to heights we've only imagined. To Limited, representing the spirit of creativity and enterprise at Aspect Entertainment. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you so much for being here.
Today marks a very important moment for us at Aspect Entertainment. It is not just the beginning of a collaboration, but the coming together of vision, legacy, and the future of storytelling. We are proud to announce our association with Three Dimension Motion Pictures, presented by Geo Studios. This is a partnership built on a shared commitment to pushing creative boundaries and delivering meaningful cinematic experiences. What a better way to begin this journey than with the stories that carry legacy, emotion, and a deep connection with audiences across generations. For me personally, this collaboration is very special. Over time, I have shared a warm relationship with not just Sanjay Dutt, who is my dear friend and also brother, but also with Manita Dutt, who I share a very warm relationship with. There is a sense of trust, mutual respect, and understanding that makes this journey even more meaningful. Our association goes beyond work. It is built on genuine camaraderie and a shared belief in what we want to create together. This is not just a professional association. It is also a coming together of people who believe in each other's visions and intent. At Aspect Entertainment, we believe in telling stories that matter. Stories that have shaped culture, stories that will define what comes next. I believe this collaboration is a step in that very direction. Personally, I would also like to thank Subhash Ghaiji for his constant support and trust. His legacy of storytelling, his contribution to Indian cinema continues to inspire generations, and we are truly grateful to carry that forward. I'm especially delighted to share this moment with Sanjay Dutt ji, Jyoti Deshpande ji, 3 Dimension Motion Pictures, Geo Studios, and the teams whose contributions has made this journey so meaningful. As we move forward, our focus is simple: to bring together the right stories, the right scale, and the right intent. That for us is what defines entertainment ka sahi aspect. Thank you all for being here, and thank you for being a part with us in this journey. Before I end, there is something I would like all of you to watch. Blackout. Manyata ji, Jyoti Deshpande ji, please can I have you all on stage?
Ma'am, that was huge. And what a surprise that was for all of us. Just one thing before I invite all of them on stage. ये क्या था? I want you to just say it and how did it all happen? You know, you have to spill the beans. Please थोड़ा सा बताइए हमें. खलनायक returns with Aspect Entertainment. You know, you have to talk about it. मान्यता मैम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, Sanjay sir, the OG superstar, is here, and of course, you know, we have to talk about this boss lady here. Usually our producers, you know, they say कि हमें box office से थोड़ा सा डर लगता है, लेकिन पहली बार हो रहा है कि box office बोलता है मुझे ज्योति देशपांडे और जियो स्टूडियोज से डर लगता है. Give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen. Consecutively 24. स्त्री की बात करूं अगर मैं 25, धुरंधर and then धुरंधर 2. Ma'am, you have killed it. Thank you so much for that. And सबसे कमाल की चीज ये है कि अभी धुरंधर 1 और 2 में हम खलनायक को देखने वाले हैं, और अभी राजा शिवाजी आने वाली है, ऑफ कोर्स महाराज के ऊपर ये फिल्म, उसमें भी हम खलनायक को देखने वाले हैं. गिव इट अप फॉर देम, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. वाओ, व्हाट अ कोलैबोरेशन. मैम, आई वुड वांट यू टू टॉक अबाउट इट. सबसे पहले वील स्टार्ट विथ यू.
So we started with this because Khalnayak is such an emotion. It is, you can't define it as just a film, you know, matlab like it is iconic and how, and there couldn't have been a better start for us than this.
Baba, of course, Baba, we have to talk to you, of course. And you know, it's a legacy. ये सिर्फ एक फिल्म नहीं है, but you've given it to you know, you've given the mauka, I would say, to Aspect Entertainment and of course Geo Studios to present this. What was the idea behind this? Talk to us about it, please.
Namaskar, good evening.
Whoa!
Thank you for being here tonight. अभी मैं एस्पेक्ट तो नहीं बोलूँगा, लेकिन मैं बोलूँगा कि अक्षय मेरी बहन है और इसके बच्चे मेरे बच्चे हैं, हमारे बच्चे हैं, और हमारा रिश्ता बहुत 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 दूर तक जाता है. और हाँ, you know, just collaborating with Aspect is something like doing something with family, and I'm the most happy and the most proud that we've come together and we make some great movies together. लेकिन जो पैसा कमाने वाली पिक्चर है वो क्योंकि पैसा वाला यहाँ खड़ा है. And you know, we are also, I think, very happy that Jyoti is there with us and Geo Studios is there. Thank you, Jyoti. And after Dhurandhar, तो अभी क्या बोले. And lastly, I just want to say is that ये खलनायक की जर्नी बहुत लंबी जर्नी है, and without Subhash ji, it is not possible. And Subhash ji is a legend. He's a man of entertainment, and you know, I mean, I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful that Subhash ji gave me this honor to make Khalnayak again. Thank you, sir. And I'm waiting for you. पता नहीं कहाँ गए हैं. And you know, he's going to be a part of this Khalnayak also for sure. And lastly, I just want to say one thing is that I want to thank my wife, Manyata, that for always being the strength in my life. And जब भी मैं गिरता हूँ तो एक हाथ है मेरा कॉलर पकड़ने वाला. Can I give it to Jyoti?
Yes, of course. Jyoti ma'am, box office आपके नाम से थर-थर कांप रहा है. You know, that is what is happening, and congratulations. एक बार मैम के लिए जोरदार तालियां, and of course for Geo Studios. Now you're coming together with this amazing team. Aksha ma'am, Aspect Entertainment, Manyata ma'am, Sanju sir, of course, 3Dimension. What would you like to say about this new phase of this collaboration? Please बताइए थोड़ा.
तो आई थिंक सबसे पहले ये बोलना बनता है कि मैं इसलिए नहीं बना रही हूँ क्योंकि इसमें इनमें से कोई भी मेरा फैमिली है.
That's Jyoti Deshpande for you, ladies and gentlemen. She said it, yeah.
Because they left me out of that that family huddle. तो
मैंने बदला ले लिया.
छेड़ रही हूँ. नहीं, I'm looking forward to this collaboration. Sanju and I go back, I don't know, my entire career.
Yeah.
Because I'm in this industry for the last 33 years.
Right.
And पहले हम overseas करते थे, तो almost all his films I've released in the overseas, and I don't know, endless movies we have worked together. And what I find very special, I know Aksa, and I have met her a few times, and I'm amazed by her passion and her creativity and her clarity of thought, and it's already a business family to reckon with, and I think she'll bring her own creativity to this venture.
Sure.
So I'm very excited to collaborate with Aspect as well. But let me just talk about this film.
Please.
So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे जो आज धुरंधर ने किया है, where it became part of popular culture. पैसे की बात नहीं है, ब्लॉकबस्टर और रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने की बात नहीं है, but the fact that लोग उसके बारे में बात करना बंद नहीं
कर रहे हैं, exactly.
So that's what's called becoming part of popular culture. You can't escape it.
Yeah.
And that is what Khalnayak did in 1993.
Indeed.
It was a path-breaking, era-defining, genre-defining film, way ahead of its time. People were shocked. People couldn't understand कि ये क्या हो गया. इसके dialogues देखो, इसकी acting देखो, ये गाने देखो, peak detailing. जो अगर हम बात करें, so 1993 में Khalnayak became the film जिसकी peak detailing people are taking out, and each aspect
Right.
of the film was left in time for generations to enjoy. So I think it's my absolute privilege to be part of this film and to give it a new tadka,
Wow.
a new life.
Lovely. The त्रिपुरी बातचीत से जो कि मेरे जहन में घुस गए हैं, that is peak detailing, जो कि लाती हैं ज्योति देशपांडे जी. Aspect is the word that she used, of course, ma'am के साथ, and Khalnayak, of course, the OG superstar Sanjay Dutt, ladies and gentlemen. इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Manyata ma'am, I have something for you. Of course, we just saw the teaser. और वो जब शुरुआत ही होती है, where we get to hear ra ra ri ri, आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था? Seeing Baba in that avatar once again.
I'm getting goosebumps right now. I think this is the film Sanju's been waiting for part 2 for a while, and through the highs and lows that he's gone through, I mean, something that has kept him sailing is the adulation of the people. But for an actor, all actors, they always want something that has just set them up as an iconic character, and this is an iconic character, and he always wanted this film to be made, I think from ages. And I think Aksha, me, Mohit, we've been discussing about this film. I think it's been over a decade now that we should be making this film in the kitchen of my house, just sitting, having few drinks, chilling, cooking, eating, and we would just be discussing. And it's a passion between two brothers. He wanted this film to be made. Mohit wanted this film to be made. Mohit is like a big hardcore Khalnayak fan. He wanted this film to be made. So they decided that one day I will make this film. And that is how I think the first production that is coming out of Aspect is Khalnayak, because I think one of the reason Aspect is here today is because Khalnayak had to be made between the two brothers. And we have thought over it over and over again, Aksha. And I just was a bit emotional because when you see there's a dream that you saw, or there's something that you wish for, and when you see it in reality, when you see that first frame that came, I really had tears run down.
Yeah.
And I'm very grateful and thankful to everybody associated, including Jyoti, of course Subhash uncle, Aksha, Mohit, and of course Baba is there. But yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. कि कब आएगी आखिर खलनायक 2, and here it is. So इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Would like to invite on stage someone very special, ladies and gentlemen. He's the CEO of Aspect Entertainment. Abhishek Sharma जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां. So please. Very special for you. इस टीजर के अलावा कुछ और भी है जो अनवेल करने वाले हैं हम आप सबके सामने. So are we all set for that? Huh? We are, right? Sir said it. Sir said it. I'll come back to you, of course, because we need to talk. Can we get the posters? उन्होंने डांट दिया है मुझे because we have another, guest who's going to be here in some. As I said, being a part of this team, I'm sure it's a privilege because जिस तरह से everybody is talking about it, वो दिख रहा है. We can see that twinkle in their eyes. What would you like to say, sir?
See, for Khalnayak is a trendsetter of anti-heroism.
Right.
And everyone was worshipping heroes. That
Right.
point of time, Sanjay Baba has come in the field or on the film, and then he changed the world of heroism. It changed into anti-heroism also.
Yes.
So that was a generation, and we all in that generation only where we loved Baba for that role. लेकिन मैं आपको बताऊं कि ये जो टीजर शूट हुआ है इसके पीछे की छोटी सी कहानी बता देता हूँ कि बाबा was on set for 8 to 9 hours just for this teaser. So you understand कि he gave his 9 to 10 hours, and then you understand 8 hours on the set to 2 hours of makeup. And that day it was like a very hot day. So you understand the commitment of Baba for this.
Subhash sir, thank you so much for being here. It's so good to see you. Jyoti ma'am was just talking about the fact that nowadays we talk about peak detailing with Dhurandhar, but you did it back then with Baba and the entire team of Khalnayak. What would you like to say, sir? Teaser, by the way.
He is born as a Dhurandhar actor.
Whoa! Sir?
So I know him since childhood.
All right.
You see, it is a great moment. I'm so happy today, I can't tell you. Because it was an inner wish, genuine inner wish or passion होता ना,
जी.
मान्यता and संजू कि सर ये पिक्चर तो बनानी है आज से नहीं, कितने बार? Am I right? All credit goes to Manyata and Sanju. कि when a filmmaker says ना, I have to make this, then it becomes Dhurandhar.
Wow.
I'm so happy. मोहित जी कहाँ हैं? मोहित जी की तबीयत थोड़ी नाशाद हुई. आप हैं, काफी हैं. उनका भी बहुत शुक्रिया कि उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया इनको. और इस प्रोजेक्ट को सपोर्ट करने में आई एम वेरी श्योर विद हिज ब्लेसिंग्स एंड योर ब्लेसिंग्स this picture is going to be completed in time and with the full passion and with full force. And I can assure you today, it is going to be better than Khalnayak.
Coming from Subhash sir, of course, means a lot.
We have to give you a cameo in this film also. आप हर पिक्चर में थोड़ा सा आ जाते हैं. तो इसमें भी आपको लेके आएंगे.
ये तो माइक पे बनता है.
मैं कह रही हूँ सुभाष जी के साथ मैंने काफी सारी फिल्में की है, ताल, हर पिक्चर में एक सीन में आ जाते हैं, तो ये पिक्चर में भी पीक डिटेलिंग में आप ढूंढना एक सीन में होंगे वो।
आजकल मैं कैमियो का बहुत प्राइज लेता हूँ क्योंकि कैमियो भी एक जो है अपने आप में ब्रांड बन गया है और जैसे ही हम ब्रांड बन जाते हैं तो हमारी प्राइस जो है ऊपर चली जाती है। Anyway, absolutely my pleasure to be with him in any kind of part of the creativity, music, and whatever, whenever he wants me. You see, I'm there always, day and night. Let's fight. Thank you very much for all your blessings in being here.
Whoa.
I'm very happy that today Khalnaik returns means with a bang. And congratulations to Manita, Akshay ji, Sanjay Dutt, and the whole team. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And sorry मैं थोड़ा लेट हुआ, मैं नहीं लेट हुआ, ट्रैफिक लेट हुआ. Thank you.
एंड गेटिंग से एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. थैंक यू. एंड मैं आप सबसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि थैंक यू. We'll just step aside because वो टीजर जो है ना सर, अभी से रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है कि उसको वापस चला दो. रक्षा मैम, we are getting a lot of requests already. That we, yes.
It has teased my creativity. It has teased my status. It has teased me to be inspired to be director again.
Wow, wow, wow.
But I'm sure with Sanju having so much passion for the film, now you see the trailer. You see his look, his characterization within himself. अभी तक वो भूला नहीं है, नायक नहीं खलनायक. This is super. There is a child in Khalnaik. You see how I kept a title Khalnaik. I must tell you a small story. Because Khalnaik title was not welcomed by my distributors. Sorry. कि यार बड़ा उपन्यास टाइप का है ये. But what I thought of the original thought कि जो खलनायक होता है, विलन होता है, if we look from our perspective, from dramatics point of view, he is a tragic hero. He is a rich guy, he is a handsome guy, he is a powerful guy, but a poor boy gets the girl and he loses the girl. है? तो प्रैक्टिकली जो विलन होता है वो सब कुछ उसकी शिद्दत एक ही होती कि एक चीज को पाना है। आप देखिए कि उसके अंदर कितनी बड़ा दर्द होगा। So the खलनायक has in this film, in this character, the pain him, and that is why he, when he talks weird or he talks off the guard, there is a pain in him.
Wow.
And you can see in the climax of the film, and I'm sure this film is going to be much better than Khalnaik, what we made 30 years back. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
I just want that, can you get that poster just for Subhash ji? वो दूसरा वाला हंसने वाला।
बाबा
A really cool one.
एक क्विक चीज अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, ऑफ कोर्स सुभाष सर यहाँ पे हैं, यू नो अगेन डीओजी डायरेक्टर, आपके लिए कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है हिम प्रेजिंग दिस एंड द वे ही इज प्रेजिंग इट, ही इज सुपर इमोशनल टुडे।
You know, for me, that Subhash ji is praising this, I mean, that means I'm on the right track.
वाओ,
I mean, with his blessings, with my parents' blessings, you know, that means कि ये हम लोग सही रास्ते पे चल रहे हैं। I mean, what Subhash ji, मेरे को याद था ना, ये नहीं, वो सब याद था। But Subhash ji is one of the, I think, greatest directors I've worked with.
या
मतलब वो बोलते थे तू यहाँ खड़े हो जा, हाँ ट्रॉली आगे ट्रॉली पीछे, अच्छा खड़े राइट में देख, लेफ्ट में देख, ऊपर देख, नीचे देख। तो मैं बोलता यार क्या कर रहे हैं सुभाष जी यार ये? तो वो फिगर मत कर, तू पिक्चर में देख लेना। Now he had the edit in his mind. You know, he knew where to put what. I mean, sir, I love you and I've learned so much from you. Thank you, sir.
वाओ, व्हाट एन इवनिंग।
सर एक पोस्टर यार दिखाया नहीं, लेकिन वो सिर्फ आप ही के लिए है सर। वोट आपने बल्लू के बारे में बोला, बच्चा है एंड मैडनेस है, दिस इज द पोस्टर।
Look at the intensity in his eyes. एक ही आंख है, बहुत है, 200 आंखों के बराबर है। What a beautiful picture. Very nice. Sir, next picture में तो चांस मिलेगा ना? Thank you.
अभी इससे हमने कैमियो फ्री करवा दिया।
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. We'll quickly, set the stage up for a quick question answers, right? We'll do that. We'll do a picture and then.
बाबा पे पूरी टीम में बहुत बहुत मुबारक। दिस इज सिमरन सिंह फ्रॉम डीएनए। बहुत सारी कंग्रेचुलेशंस बनती है। पहली कंग्रेचुलेशंस तो धुरंधर की अपार सक्सेस के लिए पूरी टीम को। सेकंड कंग्रेचुलेशंस एंड इट्स अ बिग सरप्राइज जो हमने आज देखा, खलनायक रिटर्न। बाबा मेरा सवाल आपसे है, 93 में फिल्म रिलीज हुई, सबसे पहले कब वो इच्छा हुई कि बल्लू बलराम की जो कहानी है वो आगे बढ़ सकती है, सीक्वल का जो एक थॉट आता है आपके दिमाग में कब आया था? और कभी ऐसा हुआ कि इच्छाएं हमने थोड़ी दबाने की कोशिश की कि यार एक बहुत बड़ी लेगेसी है, हम उसके साथ खेले नहीं, इट्स बेटर जब तक हमें स्टोरी ना मिले, ऐसे हुआ था कभी?
भाजी नमस्कार, की हाल है थोड़ी?
बस वधिया सर, सत श्री अकाल।
सत श्री अकाल। एक्चुअली ये थॉट मुझे जेल में आया था। मैं वहाँ जेल में गाने बजाता था, तो बार बार फरमाइश सिर्फ खलनायक की होती थी। तो मैंने बोला कि ये खलनायक अगर फिर से बनाए तो कौन देखना चाहेगा? तो 4000 कैदियों में से सब ने बोला हम देखेंगे। तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, अगर आपको इतना शौक है तो एक एक पेज लिख के भेजना। मुझे टाइम लगा 4000 पेज पढ़ने में, लेकिन मुझे एक थॉट अच्छा लगा उसमें। तो मैंने सर को फोन किया, मैं पेरोल पे आया, मैंने सर को बोला सर प्लीज यहाँ आइए। हाँ, और फिर मैंने सर को थोड़ा बहुत सुनाया, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई मीन सुभाष जी गॉट ऑल्सो एक्साइटेड कि यार बननी चाहिए। तो आया वैसी पाजी।
थैंक यू सर, लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड।
He wrote a small letter from the jail कि सुभाष जी, अगर मैं आज इतना जी रहा हूँ और अच्छी से जी रहा हूँ, बिकॉज जब मैं सुनता हूँ कि खलनायक खलनायक चारों तरफ है, और मैं आपको एक ऑडियो बना के भेजता हूँ, और इन्होंने ट्रेलर बना के भी भेजा मुझे खुद की वॉइस के अंदर। आई रिमेम्बर दैट इज स्टिल विद मी, एंड आई सेड कि दिस लुक व्हाट इज पैशन ऑफ अ मैन for the character, and we must make it till the end of our life. We see, and that's why you will see the passion.
Subhash ji, will you be directing? Kind of association you will have with the film?
क्या कहा आपने?
किस तरह का एसोसिएशन आप डायरेक्ट करने वाले हो क्या?
ये तो आप प्रोड्यूसर से पूछ सकते हैं।
प्रोड्यूसर साहब जवाब दीजिए।
Nothing is possible without the blessings of Subhash Ghai ji. He is the mentor, he is the guiding force, he is everything for us for this Khalnayak. So, nothing is possible without Subhash Ghai ji.
You see, you cannot ask Sunil Gavaskar to play Virat. सुनील गावस्कर, हर एक स्टेज होती है, एज होती है, लेकिन तमन्नाएं और उत्साह और पैशन उतना ही होता है। तो मैंने सबसे पहले इसको यही कहा कि यू शुड हैव ए गुड डायरेक्टर। हम जितनी मदद राइटिंग में, म्यूजिक में तुम्हारी कर सकते हैं, वी आर देयर, आवर होल टीम इज विद यू, एंड एंटायर एटमॉस्फेयर, हम इकोसिस्टम हम आपको देंगे, एंड यू हैव ए बिग सपोर्ट फ्रॉम मोहित जी, फ्रॉम अक्षय भाभी एंड एवरीवन हियर, सो डोंट वरी। So that is why he has taken over this responsibility to produce the film, a responsible film. And I can tell you, I will be always with him whenever he needs me, at any stage.
Manyata, how many times have you watched Khalnayak?
Many times. In fact, this morning when Sanju showed me a little bit, he didn't want me to see the teaser. He showed me a little bit, and I told him tonight let's watch Khalnayak again, and he's like yeah. So it is one of my favorite movies of Sanju. I was just telling Subhash uncle that ये जो film जब release हुई थी, I think Sanju was going through a very bad phase of life. He was, it was during his incarceration when he was in. And this story not only, of course as an actor it's fantastic, but it also talks about him in reality, as somebody who's so soft-hearted, somebody who is just actually a Khalnayak, it's his story, somebody who got trapped into a situation, a mistake or whatever. So this film is so close to him, and even before we decided of making this film, or that whole thought came, it was multiple times he would discuss, Mama, this film, he calls me Mama, he's like, Mama, this film, when I came back, I felt, I don't know, after the jail, how would the audience take me? But this film put it out there as if this film was just made to narrate his part of life. It was just out there, and it of course it just became an iconic film. So this film is very important part of a journey of our life, his career, and yes, I've seen it many times.
My question is to Subhashi. Subhashi, Raju Vijayakar here. Khalnayak was the first album which was actually sold in the black market. You know, it was so popular. So what
I didn't make money.
So what will be your contribution to the music? How will you design? How would you plan to design the whole score of this?
This movie, you're
Yes.
talking about the previous one.
No, this movie.
This movie,
Yeah.
you see, every music of every motion picture carries its own soul, its own vibrancy of sound, its own responsibility of sound. So I'm very sure कि जो एक दो गाने हैं वो तो उसमें रहेंगे, जैसे उन्होंने अभी थीम सॉन्ग बनाया, ये किया, इसके जो they have to produce better songs, better than this, क्योंकि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ गई है, लोग कंपेयर करेंगे, राजीव जी फोन करेंगे, मैंने आपको पूछा था उस दिन, तो आप ऐसे बता देते, है ना? तो डोंट वरी, वी विल लीव नो स्टोन अनटर्न if we don't have a great music in it.
Sir, myself Poonam. This question is to Baba. Sir, here. Hi. How are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm from Bollywood Themes media channel. So, when you were in the jail, so when you were there in the jail, so no work in the jail, so lot of fears and lot of thoughts may be coming to your mind. So that time also you were doing lot of activities. That means you are so creative. That's a good thing. So how you that time also you may be feeling that sensation that कब यहाँ से जल्दी निकलूँ बाहर, or I try to come on the film, on the screen and rock and do my best. You may be feeling that time that when you were inside. So can you express some?
हाँ जी, 100% कौन जेल में रहना चाहता है? I felt that many times, लेकिन एक हवलदार ने मेरे पास आके बोला संजू बाबा, जिस दिन तू उम्मीद करना छोड़ देगा तुझे पता नहीं चलेगा कि जेल का टाइम कैसे कट गया. तो मैंने बोला क्या मजाक कर रहा है? बोला आप ट्राई करो, स्टॉप होपिंग कि आई होप ये हो जाए, होप हो जाए, कब निकलूंगा. मुझे दिक्कत हुई लेकिन मैंने कोशिश की, और जब मैंने उम्मीद करना छोड़ दिया मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि जेल कब कट गया. You know. I mean, you have to make it rustic, you have to have emotions, you have to have the songs, you have to have, I mean, it has to be made like Khalnayak is made, you know, I mean, हम लोग को वो नहीं चाहिए, मतलब वो, you know what I'm trying to say, I don't want to. So I think 110%, if you can't make it rustic like how Khalnayak was, I think it's better not to make Khalnayak, you know.
Yes, please make it that way. That will be wonderful.
100%, I promise you it's going to be.
Thank you.
And then जो छोटा जो आपने देखा, you didn't feel it?
हाँ यार, आइडिया मिल रहा था, बिल्कुल. Thank you.
सुभाष जी इधर बना रहे थे, तो आपने संजय जी को कैसे बल्लू के कैरेक्टर में सोचा था?
संजू के साथ मैंने पहली फिल्म भी इसकी की थी, विधाता, अगर आपको याद हो. And he played a grandson of Mr. Dilip Kumar. And he was pushed to acting by his father and family कि जाओ एक्टर बनो. ये बोले काहे को मैं एक्टर बनूं, मेरे को मोटरसाइकिल पे चला रहा हूँ मैं. So very interesting story. He was enjoying life, you see. And then he said, this kind of work, actor has to work so much. I thought कि यार नहीं होता है, you know. लेकिन जब उसने देखा कि भाई तू उस वक्त मैं इसको जानता था जब भी you were hardly 20 years old, and I could see that I used to smile at him. ये फंस गया बेचारा, लेकिन कैसे भी करके उसने दिलीप साहब के साथ काम किया. तो दिलीप साहब को देखा कि यार ये तो बड़ा ही एक सीरियस मामला है, पर वो पिक्चर तो चली, सिल्वर जुबली हुई, पर बाद में उसको आस्ता आस्ता रियलाइज हुआ कि आई हैव टू टेक दिस कैरियर वेरी सीरियसली, एंड ही रियली स्टार्टेड लर्निंग द potential of actor from there, and I could see his other films, क्योंकि मैंने उसके बाद 5-7 साल तो मैं दूसरी पिक्चर बनाना था, तो I could see his progress from film to film, from सड़क and from साजन and all. मेरे वाला यार अब ये सीरियस एक्टर बन गया है, you know. तो मैंने जब खलनायक पिक्चर लिखी तो ये बात इंडस्ट्री में फैली, बहुत से स्टार्स लोग मेरे पास आए घर पे कि हमको खलनायक करनी है। मैंने बोला सब खलनायक मैं सोच के बैठा हूँ, पहले मैं उससे बात कर लूँ, और मैंने संजू को बुलाया और संजू को मैंने कहानी सुनाई, एंड ही सेड कि सर आई ट्रस्ट यू, आई विल डू दिस फिल्म।
सर आप बोल रहे हैं सर एक चीज, कहानी नहीं सुनाई आपने। आपने बोला ये करनी है तुझे बस।
नहीं सुनाई थी
सर, कहाँ सुनी सर?
आजकल तो स्टूडियो वाले भी स्क्रिप्ट मांगते हैं इतना लंबा, उनकी टीम मांगती है पूरा स्क्रिप्ट दो, फिर उसके बाद वो क्रिएटिव पेंसिल से उसको घिसते घिसते रहते हैं। आप देखिए इतने ऐसे एक्टर थे जिनको हमने कभी कहानी नहीं सुनाई, नहीं सुना था, कभी स्क्रिप्ट भी नहीं दिया था।
जो पैसे लगाते थे उसको कहाँ सुनाते थे? तो
पैसे को उनको विश्वास था कि ये पिक्चर जो है इनकी जिंदगी है। जब फिल्म मेकर की जब जिंदगी बन जाती है तो अपनी जिंदगी बेचेगा ना, तो उसमें पैसे की क्या बात है ऐसी। तो पैसे की तरफ तो मैंने कभी देखा नहीं। हर फिल्म जो 15-16 फिल्में बनाई वो जिंदगी थी 15 हमारे लिए। ऐसा था कि ये फिल्म क्लाइंट जो है हमारे ऑडियंस है, तो हॉल है, वो हॉल तक जो असर करेगी, सब डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर भी खुश होंगे, इन्वेस्टर भी खुश होंगे। मैं इन्वेस्टर को खुश करने के लिए गलत फिल्म बना के ऑडियंस को नाराज कर दूं, वो तो ठीक नहीं, सही नहीं। तो एक विश्वास म्यूचुअल बहुत था। तो अगर मैंने कहानी नहीं सुनाई और इन्होंने हाँ की, इसका मतलब कितना बड़ा विश्वास होगा उनको मेरे पर। और हम लोग ने मिलकर, और मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं कि उसके बाद जब मैंने काम करना शुरू किया तो मैंने इसको बोला कि अभी 10 बजे तक शुरू चलती थी हमारी, तो कभी कभी कहता था 10 बज गए हैं, अभी तुम जाओ, थक गए होगे। कहता नहीं साहब ये सीन पूरा करके जाएंगे। और 2-2, 2:30 बजे तक ये काम करता था लड़का, कैन यू बीट दिस खलनायक के अंदर। एंड आई वॉज सरप्राइज एंड टेकन कि वही है जो विधाता में काम कर रहा था, जिसको पकड़ना पड़ता था, बच्चे आ जाए इधर या कैमरे के सामने आ जाए। इतना चेंज मैंने कभी नहीं देखा। एंड अगर उसकी परफॉर्मेंस का पूरा श्रेय है तो उसमें 30 मैं लूंगा, 70% इसका खुद का है। गॉड ब्लेस।
यहाँ पर सामने आपके
लेफ्ट
मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि इस बार बल्लू को प्ले करने का प्रेशर किस तरीके का, क्योंकि नेगेटिव रोल आपके लिए अब नया नहीं है, लेकिन बल्लू एक बहुत ही आइकॉनिक कैरेक्टर रहा है, तो उसको प्ले करने का दबाव है इस बार?
देखिए मैं प्रेशर में काम नहीं करता। जब सेट पे आऊंगा, मेन चीज मैं आपसे एक चीज बोलता हूँ कि स्क्रिप्ट कैसी होगी, वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है। और उस पर भले वो 6 महीने लगे, 8 महीने लगे, विद सुभाष जी कंसेंट, मैं इनको भी तंग करूंगा, मैं हर जगह जाऊंगा, म्यूजिक के लिए भी तंग करूंगा, लेकिन द हीरो ऑफ द फिल्म इज द स्क्रिप्ट बेसिकली। एंड जब तक वो स्क्रिप्ट वो लेवल की नहीं होगी तब तक आई थिंक हम लोग फ्लोर्स पे ही नहीं जाएंगे। और जैसे मैंने कहा, मैं प्रेशर में काम ही नहीं करता, सेट पे जाके देखी जाएगी यार।
ये तो रोमांस भी आराम से कर लेता है और मर्डर भी आराम से कर लेता है। अरे मैं बोला कुछ तो चेंज करो यार। ये तो सर आपने बोला मर्डर किया, मैंने कर दिया। आपने बोला रोमांटिक करो, मैंने कर दिया उसको। तो ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रिलैक्स एक्टर ए डायरेक्टर मीट्स, कि वो आपके ऊपर इतनी जिम्मेदारी छोड़ देता है कि आपको परेशान कर देता है कि यार मुझे तो करना पड़ेगा, because he has a personality, he is an actor, and he wants to do something good. God bless you, Sanju.
We are glad we got to watch Khalnayak 2. The two other characters of yours that have been iconic for us is Raghu from Vastav and Munna Bhai. Will we ever get to see Vastav 2 and Munna Bhai again?
वास्तव we are working on, and मुन्ना भाई, I think आपको राजू ईरानी से पूछना पड़ेगा. Raju, please make Munna Bhai again.
Perfect. Thank you.
Lipika Verma. You know, right from Khalnayak then and now, I would like to know, all of us would like to know, how much has Sanju involved?
संजू शांत हो गया है. Involved, I can't talk about myself, but I mean, I think I'm matured in life. I think I've become more mature actor, more mature in just general life. That's all.
Manyata, would you like to add something to what Sanjay said? Since you've been there with him, his partner.
I think he's become a great father. He sees life through a different angle now. His perspective towards life has changed after having children. I think he's just changed in many ways. I feel he's mellowed down, he's sobered down, bit of aggression is less. I think he's matured enough in many ways, and he is a changed person. I think Subhash uncle will also second that, because he has so many stories. In fact, yesterday he was telling me something and he's saying, "Bada badmash hai." So I think he has changed a lot, and he's changed for better.
Thank you. I want to add an aspect to this. See, I get to work with him in so many films. Now I've just done 2 editions of Dhurandhar. I've done Raja Shivaji, he's playing Afzal Khan. While they're all sort of giving the personal aspects of him, I can say professionally, when he turns up on set, from all those years ago to now, I think he's more in character. He totally becomes the character now. He's having fun with the roles that he's taking on, and that's the biggest change that I see in him. He's got the swag of Sanju Baba, but he's totally goes into the character.
I have a question for Jyoti ji, because Jyoti Deshpande has become one of the top producer of the day. You see, and I would like to ask you one thing, that you have given so many hits now. You are an established producer. Every actor, every director, production house would like to work with you. What made you excited to pick up Khalnayak and support the film throughout?
So I think this very similar question was asked to me, and I think Jaise Dhurandhar became an era-defining film just now, and it's sort of not just for the box office, but for the impact that it generated. I think Khalnayak did exactly that in 1993. It broke the format on all the rules that are written on paper. When you greenlight a film, Khalnayak broke it. I love that about it. So I'm very excited to take on the challenge, a very big challenge of taking this forward. And I know that everybody that's जो ये फिल्म के साथ जुड़े हैं, all the people attached to this film are extremely passionate. Nobody is doing it for paisa, power, glory. Everybody who's attached to it is doing it because they think it's exciting to do something era-defining again. So I will never miss out on such an opportunity. It's my privilege to be part of this.
You see, she is talking about the challenge, but she is scaring us कि बेटा तुम लोग काम करते हो ना. ये मैं चैलेंज तो आप लोगों का है, मेरा तो क्या है, मैं तो आपको सपोर्ट कर लूंगी, ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. और हमको चाहिए पंपिंग के लिए लोग, एक बंदे चाहिए थोड़े से जो हमको कहते रहे कि सोचो खलनायक बनाई थी, अब क्या बनाओगे बेटा. ऐसा. Thank you. And she is very inspiring lady for any good director, good producer. And thank you very much for all of you. I hope this interaction session is over unless you go into gossip.
Jyoti ma'am, as you said, part 1 was also a huge hit of this movie Khalnayak. So क्या hopes है आपकी from the part 2 का box office here?
You know, कोई एक अगर नहीं चली तो ऊपर से नीचे नहीं गिरा देना भाई. You know, of course, I mean कोई भी उठ के ये नहीं सोचता है कि चलो आज खराब पिक्चर बनाते हैं. You know, हर बंदा जब पिक्चर बनाते हैं हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं and every film that we put our blood, sweat and tears in, we think that is going to be the best film that we have ever made. But for Khalnayak, you know, you sit down, you do brainstorming sessions for many films, but this already feels different because what kind of ideas, you know, our minds are buzzing with. The last brainstorm session we had, I think कुछ बहुत हटके करेंगे, but ये पिक्चर की जो मूड है, जो ग्रामर है, जो टेक्सचर है, उसको पकड़ के रखेंगे. And I think we have to be very honest to what the original Khalnayak is, and not try to make it modern day Khalnayak just for the sake of it. So one thing that we know is that we are going to be very honest to the original Khalnayak. बाकी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, all cards are open.
Jyoti, thank you so much.
ज्योति जी on your left. ज्योति जी, आपकी यादें क्या है खलनायक के? When was the first time you watched खलनायक और यादें क्या रही हैं? Because हमने देखा है लाडला में भी एक रेफरेंस था जहाँ पे ब्लैक में टिकटें बिक रही है, लोग एक दूसरे पे चढ़ के जा रहे हैं to get a ticket of खलनायक. आपकी क्या यादें हैं?
I was 23 years old. It was the year of my wedding. मतलब उस साल मैं शादी हो रही थी, and I remember watching it in Gaiety. मैं गेटी गई थी एंड इट वाज लाइक नहीं जा सकते हैं और वहाँ आदमी लोग हैं, यू नो, लड़कियाँ ही नहीं है. और मुझे पता है मैं घर में झूठ बोल के मैं गई थी. मेरा फियांसी भी बहुत पॉसेसिव था. मैं झूठ बोल के खलनायक देख के आई थी.
मैं जितने भी पाप हुए हैं, झूठ हुए हैं, वो खलनायक की वजह से हुए.
All right, ladies.
We want to know who will play the lead, female lead in the film, and if we see Madhuri Dixit in a cameo in the film.
That has to be seen. अभी तो आस्ता दी एंड भी पूछ लेंगे, इंटरवल भी पूछ लेंगे, और पता लगा पूरा स्क्रिप्ट आ गया आपके हाथ में. अब आस्ता धोती पकड़ के, रुमाल पकड़ के धोती मत पकड़िए. थोड़ा सस्पेंस रहने दीजिए.
One last question.
Yes, आइए अंबानी साहब.
सवाल मेरा है कि आज की अगर दौर की बात करें, अगर आप नहीं तो कौन ये रोल के लिए परफेक्ट होगा विद ऑल दोस लॉन्ग बियर्ड हेयर्स? रणवीर सिंह या रणबीर कपूर? आपको क्या लगता है सर?
कोई और ये कर ही नहीं सकता, कोई ये पिक्चर बन ही नहीं सकती.
मैं बोल रहा था अबे मैं क्यों नहीं.
इसका जवाब तो यही मिलना था दोस्त. ओके मैम, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन. आइए.
With an ever-evolving industry like this one, what is the vision that you have for Aspect Entertainment?
We just want to tell out great stories. We want to respect the old cinema, and we want to integrate the new age technology and the newer style. But we want to maintain everything as it is. But yeah, great stories with modern excellence. That's what we're looking at giving.
Well, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Karan sir, thank you so much for being here, being a part of this.
want to thank the people behind the scenes for this beautiful cut. I want to thank Gaurav, Paras, Ankur. Thank you. You guys worked day and night to make such a fantastic product. Thank you for believing in Subhashji, believing in the vision, and thank you for taking Khalnaik further. I think you guys have all grown up seeing Khalnaik. Thank you. Thank you guys.